Tibet is known as the Earth's third pole and has the largest store of fresh water outside the North and South poles. It is the source of the Earth's 9 largest river systems, providing water for more than 1.4 billion people in 10 of the most densely populated nations surrounding the Tibetan Plateau. Like the Arctic and the Pacific Island nations, Tibet is at the front line of global climate change, warming nearly 3 times as fast as the rest of the Earth. The alarming rise in temperature and the extreme changes in precipitation patterns are directly affecting the Tibetan people, wildlife, and have ramifications far beyond Tibet's borders. Tibet's glaciers are melting and its permafrost disappearing fast. It is vital that we seek to protect this fragile high-altitude ecosystem and address the significant challenges it faces. However, China has failed Tibet, and the environment policies are reshaping the Tibetan landscape with devastating consequences. Since invading and occupying Tibet in 1949, China's policies of infrastructure development, mining, and rapid urbanization have aggravated environmental degradation. Mega dams and water diversion projects across the Tibetan Plateau are being built at an unprecedented rate, disrupting already overstressed water supplies of hundreds of millions of people in South and Southeast Asia, and causing mass destruction to the region's river ecosystems. Further, over 2 million Tibetan nomads have been forced from their homes in the Tibetan grasslands to newly constructed settlements, profoundly altering Tibet's social and environmental fabric and threatening the survival of the Tibetan rangelands on the roof of the world. Stripped of the livelihoods that have sustained them for thousands of years, the once proud and resilient people now face an uncertain future. And while carried out on grounds of environmental protection, the controversial policy has further compromised the ecological balance of the Tibetan Plateau, and therefore it is arguably one of the most severe and misguided aspects of Beijing's grand plans for Tibet.